Hey girls, it's ARMANIB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration with CurlsCurls hair. This is their Melissa unit. This wig is 18 inches and it is a lace front closure. This is going to be a super quick and easy install. Here are some of the hair details and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this video. As you can see, I went ahead and slipped this wig right on. No stocking cap method needed, and I'm using my duckbill clips to keep the hair out of the way. To adhere the lace, I'm going to be using a small amount of Got to Be Ultra Glued Invincible styling gel, and I'm going to put that right against the front of this wig cap. Next, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer to make the gel nice and tacky. I'm going to lay the lace down, and then I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer to make sure it's completely dried.
Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it.
The next product I'm going to go in with is Got to Be Blasting Free Spray, and I'm going to spray a small amount on the hairline just to push the hair back and make it look a little bit more natural. And as you can see, I'm using an edge brush to push the hair back just so it's nice and detailed. After styling the wig to my liking, I'm using my duckbill clips and pushing my hair back once again, and then I'm going to go in and cut the lace. Please make sure to cut your lace in a zigzag motion so that it looks nice and natural. You do not want your hairline to look super harsh and straight across. This is how it's looking. Super easy, super simple. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that Got to Be Blasting Free Spray on the hairline just to make sure it's nice and flat. And that is pretty much it for this tutorial. It's really that simple. This wig is amazing. If you're looking for a unit that mimics your natural hair texture, this is the perfect hair company for you. As you can see here, I'm just using the end of my rat tail comb to stick my lace down. I do not want to forget to mention, because I get questions like this all the time, communication with this company was amazing. They reply super fast and the hair shipped out very quickly. So like I said before, if you're a naturalista who is looking for hair that mimics your natural hair texture, you just want to give yourself a little bit more length, this would be the perfect hair company, and I feel like they're pretty affordable. As you can see, I'm going in with a little bit of concealer, and this is just going to make my part a little bit more defined because I did not do the stocking cap method. I only used a regular wig cap. This install literally took me less than 20 minutes, so if you're a person who's also lazy and you don't like to do your hair, you're a beginner, this is the perfect beginner wig. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. All of the hair details will be in the description box below, and you can also check out CurlsCurls on Instagram.